Hello my friends, in today's episode on Grainificent. In today's episode, I will be talking about why comparing your photography to others is detrimental. So if you like my videos, a subscribe would mean a lot to me. It shows me I make helpful and interesting content. Also, please hit that like button down below to show the YouTube algorithm that this video is worthy of showing to others. And of course, share this video as well with friends or other people you deem worthy of seeing this video, or this video worthy of showing to others. Let's get into this short video. In this short video, I'll be talking about why you shouldn't compare your photography with others. And meanwhile, so my face doesn't bore you too much, I will be showing some photos on the side. Enjoy the video. In the realm of photography, where creativity knows no bounds and artistic expression is diverse, it's tempting to glance at the works of other photographers and engage in comparisons. However, this seemingly innocent act can prove to be detrimental to one's artistic journey. So let's explore the reasons why individuals should refrain from comparing their photography to others, emphasizing the importance of embracing uniqueness, fostering self-growth, and preserving artistic integrity. Every photographer possesses a distinctive voice, a unique perspective that sets them apart from others. This individuality stems from personal experiences, emotions, and perceptions, shaping the way they capture moments through their lens. Comparing one's work to others disregards this inherent uniqueness and undermines the authenticity and uniqueness of their artistic expression. Each photograph reflects the photographer's interpretation of the world around him, and by comparing, one risks diluting their voice in the pursuit of conformity. Furthermore, the diversity within photography celebrates various styles, subjects, and techniques. What might resonate with one photographer might not necessarily align with another's vision. Embracing this diversity fosters an environment where artistic exploration flourishes, allowing photographers to delve into uncharted territories and push the boundaries of creativity. Rather than seeking validation through comparison, individuals should embrace their uniqueness, recognizing that their unique perspective contributes to the rich tapestry of photographic artistry. Photography is not merely about capturing images. It's a journey of self-discovery and continuous growth. Each photograph represents a moment frozen in time, but it also serves as a reflection of the photographer's evolving skills, insights, and artistic sensibilities. When individuals compare their work to others, they inadvertently stifle their potential for growth by fixating on external benchmarks of success. Instead of measuring progress against the standards set by others, photographers should focus on their personal development and artistic evolution. Every photograph presents an opportunity to learn, experiment, and refine one's craft. By embracing mistakes and setbacks as integral parts of the learning process, photographers can cultivate resilience and hone their skills with each click of the shutter. Self-reflection and constructive critique become invaluable tools for growth, enabling individuals to identify areas for growth, for improvement, and chart their unique trajectory in the world of photography. Edward Weston, one of the great photographers, wrote this in his diary: "It has come to me of late that comparing one man's work to another's, naming one greater or lesser, is a wrong approach. The important and only vital question is, how much greater, finer am I than I was yesterday? Have I fulfilled my possibilities, made the most of my potentialities? What a marvelous world if all could hold this attitude toward life. Photography is a form of visual storytelling where authenticity and sincerity hold paramount importance. When individuals compare their work to that of others, they risk compromising their artistic integrity in pursuit of external validation or recognition. This inclination towards emulation detracts from the essence of creativity, transforming photography into a mere replication of established norms and trends. Moreover, the proliferation of social media platforms exacerbates this phenomenon, fostering a culture of comparison and competition where nobody wins. The quest for likes, praises, and followers becomes a driving force behind photographic endeavors, overshadowing the genuine passion and artistic vision that initially sparked individuals' interest in photography. To preserve artistic integrity, photographers must resist the temptation to conform to prevailing trends or emulate the styles of others. Instead, they should stay true to their unique vision, daring to express themselves authentically without the burden of comparison. In conclusion, the act of comparing one's photography to the work of others undermines the fundamental principles of artistic expression, hindering uniqueness, stifling self-growth, and compromising artistic integrity. To embark on a fulfilling artistic journey, photographers must embrace their individuality, foster self-growth, and preserve their authenticity. By refraining from comparisons and staying true to their unique vision, photographers can unleash their full creative potential and make meaningful contribution to the ever-evolving landscape of photographic artistry. As each photographer ventures forth on their artistic odyssey, let them remember that their voice matters, their perspective is invaluable, and their journey is theirs alone to explore. If you would like to add anything else to this video for others to see, read, and learn from you as well, a comment down below will be very helpful. And if you like this video, a like will help with the YouTube algorithm to show the video to more people. And if you like film-related content, please feel free to subscribe. It shows me I make helpful and interesting content. And also, if you would like to access my videos much sooner, feel free to look into channel memberships where you get a lot of benefits. So thank you for watching, my friends. Take care and see you in the next video.